Hey guys, this is Amar and this is the Thought of the Day video. I really enjoy this Thought of the Day series and I feel really bad about my days when I can't record videos because every video is a chance to learn something new, to grow. So it is a good idea to have a Thought of the Day video because that's an opportunity to learn something new about life every day, to see things from a new perspective. So we're doing two videos today, two thoughts of the days, because I did not record yesterday. There is no reason there should not be a thought of the day for every day, right? So my attempt would be to have a thought of the day for every day, right? For the rest of my life. I think this channel, whatever pace it grows, I think what we're doing here is important. That is the most important thing. Elon Musk says, by the way, and that's not the thought of the day. It's just something that came to my mind. Elon Musk is one of my greatest inspirations, and he should be everybody's greatest inspiration, one of the greatest inspirations, because he is a superhuman. He's not a human, he's a superhuman. And he says that one should attempt, if it is important enough, then you should do it even if the likely possibility is failure. If it is important enough, you should do it even if the likely possibility is failure. So basically the whole point of this thought is that if you think what you're doing is right, then you should aim at it even if the likely possibility is failure. Which basically means, imagine that if you succeed at it, how great would it be? In fact, he says, I'm reading his biography right now, and I should read it a little more faster than I'm reading, but he says that both of his companies, which he is the CEO of right now, SpaceX as Tesla, would have failed. The likely possibility was failure, but he went through with those companies because he believed that he was doing the right thing, right? So even if it's important, you should do it, even if it's the likely possibility is failure. What a great thought that is. Cool. So the thought of the day, by the way, it wasn't that wasn't the thought of the day, although that teaches us. That's one of the most important thoughts that I keep in my mind all the time whenever I'm trying to decide should I be doing something, right? So the reason we should be doing something is because it is the right thing to do. The only reason we should really do something is because it is the right thing to do. If it's the right thing to do and you fail doing it, you would achieve some sort of learning, and you may try again, and the next time you may succeed, because after all you're doing something which is important enough to do, which makes the world a better place, right? Cool. The thought of the day is on common sense, and it's by Robert G. Ingersoll. And the thought says, it is 1,000 times better to have common sense without education than to have education without common sense. It is 1,000 times better to have common sense without education than have education without common sense. This thought makes so much sense. I really like it, and I picked it because I really like it. Because I feel, look at the world around right now. The world is being run by people. A lot of those people who are running the world right now are college dropouts. People like Bill Gates, people like Steve Jobs, Larry Ellison of Oracle, people like Richard Branson, the man who founded the Virgin Group in the UK. He dropped out of school. He did not even go to college. In India, we have an example of Ritesh Agarwal. He went to college for 2 days. So common sense is clearly more important than degrees. And this is a point that I've realized a little late in my life. But then it's come to me, and I agree with this point that common sense is more important than education. And then it's better to have common sense without education than to have education without common sense, right? That's the thought of the day. So I think it's largely called street smartness in the business world. So figure out how to have common sense, right? Because it's important to have common sense, especially in the business world, than to have good degrees. Cool. So that is the thought of the day. We'll do one more thought of the day because we missed out yesterday. Alright, see you.